What's up, everyone? We're back, and today, so already you saw Huey's Black Friday purchase with the steering wheel, and today is going to be my Black Friday purchase, which you see over here. I got the Cube short shifter, so we're going to get rid of my super long truck shifter and put in this fancy Australian stuff. And so I got everything laid out here, basic tools. Yeah, we'll look at it. This is the main part of the short shifter. Cube is real. No fake pieces of aluminum here. That, and then I already went. I got basic tools. It asked for a thread lock and some RTVs, and that looks pretty simple. So let's get started.
All right. So we have the shifter out. That wasn't too bad. The boot, 4 screws.
Yeah.
And then we have the little upgraded cup and
Bronze bushing
down there.
Yeah. So let's go look at the old stuff versus new stuff.
Little shaft comparison.
So I'm gonna lose my big black shaft, but we'll get something a little smaller. So, but you can see where they pick up all the difference for the short shifts.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Let's see. All right, well, let's put it in.
Tight as nuts.
With the empty bottle.
Just add a little water. Add a little spit.
Like ketchup? Oh, you don't do that with ketchup? Well, it says I gotta hold the top plate so the spring doesn't pop. I don't know how much pop.
So the nuts are just there to hold the screws in place?
Yeah, there's a spring under the cap. Kind of like on the stock shifter.
Yeah.
So I broke the nuts loose earlier, but I guess now the spring wants to play. I want to be like this, not enough loft tight. Cressida's not that fast. I will say though, it lines up pretty good.
Yeah?
Let's see. Yeah, if you're not being able to see the holes. So Cube includes this little spacer, and they say if you put it in the shifter and you can't move it, then you need the spacer. So I can't move it, so we're gonna take it apart and put the spacer in.
Okay.
Oh snap!
Dang, that's short compared to how it used to be. I dig it.
Ugh. Dang. I was worried because it has the kick, and like in yours, it comes all the way back.
Yeah, the second or the bend in the leg.
Yeah. That's pretty dope. Alright, we should rebuild that other one for you.
Interior pieces back in, rubber boots in place. Justin's kind of wrapping everything up, putting on a shifter. Hopefully that doesn't hit the tray right there. You shift.
The shifts are so short. It's not an issue.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's like almost crunchy.
Does yours have that issue with third gear like mine?
No, mine has the reverse issue like yours.
Oh, so I have a third gear. Well, like third gear doesn't feel like up. It's like up and then a little bit over to the side towards fifth to go up.
I can feel that because if I go straight up, it's a little crunchy. All right, so that's that. That was pretty simple, except for the part I messed up a little, but I'm not sure what's next. We got a bunch of stuff lined up, but
Flex fuel.
Flex Fuel is next.
Yeah, we're going back to Subarus for an episode.
Yeah, so stay tuned.